go on this adventure. Come on, let's go. It's been windy most of the day. It's 35 Fahrenheit, 1.6 Celsius. Wind chill is 25 Fahrenheit, minus 3.8 Celsius. Good boy, Barkley, good boy. Still winter. Wind gusting too. Every time it gusts really hard, the temperature drops more. The wind chill does anyway. This is our walk before dinner anyway. We're going to have pizza. At least I'm going to have pizza. I'll get a little piece of it too with their dog food. It's really windy out, doggies. Come on. Come on, Lucy. That wind really gusting. See no trees. Good boy, Barkley. Just twice you done it. Oh, you heard doggies? You heard doggies? Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy, behave. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Darn dog. You get hurt. You think you're big, bad, and tough. Why don't you use the bathroom? Lucy, why don't you use the bathroom? Come on. Use the potty. Use the potty. Use the potty. Use the potty. If you don't have to, you don't have to. I don't care. It's going to be a while before we walk again. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. Barkley. Good girl, Lucy. Barkley. Good boy. Good boy. Good puppies. Yeah. Let's go in the house. Come on. Come on. I'll give you a treat. We'll get ready to watch a movie and eat. Yeah. Thanks to folks who walk with you. So thank you, folks. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching, folks. Next time later.